stop filming.
Hit.
It's
so small.
Yeah, because it's a fucking native fucking stirring.
Where I'm
The first thing
staying?
she looked for, $49.
I
I
love
don't know,
you, baby.
depends on your
where I'm
attitude.
staying.
Oh, you know what?
We need to cooperate
I
here.
fucking
Do you
hate
want me
you.
to move in with you? Like,
Don't record this. No, I don't want you fucking filming this shit. Cause I'm drunk as fuck, dude.
Not working. Let me see it.
I'm Jake. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying.
I can't do anything with it.
Oh, fuck you! Suck my dick! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Reason why I like not having time
You know, like the
on my phone.
lightsaber? Is this where it turns into a lifesaver?
I haven't paid my phone bill.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Yeah, so my boyfriend would probably be blowing up my phone at this point.
Seriously filming this?
Yeah.
I just got left guys. I'm like, you might
Hey, look, I'm Jake.
Shit, bitch. I ainn dealing with your bitching. I'll deal with it when my ass
The
gets
fuck?
home.
You suck that thing off.
Yeah. I'm Jake. Yeah, fucking cameraman. Fucking. Wait, I need the eyes. I need to see. There you go. Okay, I only need one eye.
Okay.
Don't look at me, you motherfucker. It's okay. It's okay. Take it easy. I'm gonna.
Wilson's right there, so we just walk right up.
Puta. Smoke cigarettes, man. This shit is for fucking good boys. This right here.
It's for good boys.
So Augie and Tat actually have like a lot of like stuff around here. I'm looking around. It'd be like just killer for B-roll. So I'm gonna try a sick B-roll segment. But first, I gotta close the door that Augie's working in because it's pretty secret. So here we go. Augie and Tatiana's plays B-roll challenge. Let's go.
Group squeeze. That's my fucking spine. He's still a baby. You still see his baby hairs. Don't fucking film this, dude.
Hey, man, he says it every fucking time. That's so cute. Oh my god.
Jake, my little chicken wing.
It's not a nice thing to say to a bird.
Yeah, but like he's my fucking chicken wing.
Yeah, do you like that?
You like when mama fucking touches you? Yeah, I know.
Almost.
So apparently Augie and Tat now have a pet bird. Okay. So seeing as though that Meg actually works at the works, I've decided to incorporate a new segment into every vlog that I do, regardless of the content, and that's burger review. And what am I eating today for the first burger?
It's the 16th sentence.
You gotta speak up.
Kevin. No, you can say it.
No, you gotta speak up because I can't even hear you.
It's the 6th sense of Kevin Bacon.
Oh, 6 cents of Kevin Bacon. I get it. Okay. The fuck? It's not bad. I give it 7 rings out of the tower out of 10. Could use some spice. I feel like a massive douchebag doing this shit.
I don't give a shit.
You gotta rate it out of 10 rings.
Out of 10 rings from the Tower of Rings that we sell there. Anyway, yeah, 7. Definitely agree with this 7.
All right. Bye for now.